As you probably know, Instagram wasn't made for clickable links that take you away from the platform. For business owners, that can be frustrating. But there's a way to capture those clicks, and you've likely seen it before. Link in the bio. What the heck does that mean? When you're creating an Instagram page, you can add a clickable link in your bio section. Most people like to add their website, YouTube channel, or even their podcast site to that bio. But if you have all three and you want people to see all three of them, why not include all of them? Now you can use a few different platforms to make this happen, but since we recommend using WordPress, I'm going to show you what I do for Instagram bio. First, you'll want to create a new page in WordPress, then name it. I usually call it Instagram Bio because I'm not overly concerned with its Google or Bing SEO. This page serves a specific purpose, to drive Instagram followers back to your website. For this example, I'm going to add a blog feed, a YouTube feed, and a podcast feed. I do this because I want to provide users with the path of least resistance. So I'll add a button for each and connect those buttons to their coinciding sections of the page. Now for YouTube, you have to add a specific step, embedding videos. So I'll go ahead and add videos one by one. Now I don't like to go too crazy here. I stick with 3 to 6 YouTube videos at a time, and then add a link that says view more videos here that takes people directly to my YouTube channel. I'll do the same thing when I add the podcast section, and you'll notice that I'm alternating colors to sort of break up each section. Now, I use Simplecast for this specific podcast, and it provides me with an embed code for the shows. Same idea. Add a few recents, then link back to Simplecast. Go ahead and publish, and there you have it, an Instagram bio page. Now I'll take this link over to Bitly and shorten it up. Once I've done that, I'll head back over to Instagram and add it to my bio. Now that that's all set up, let's give it a try on all platforms. Always be testing. Okay, everything works, looks good on mobile, easy to navigate. Now, when I have posts that I want to share on Instagram with my followers, I can direct them back to this page and they won't miss out on the content I'm providing on other platforms. Simple enough, right? Alright, you know the drill. Any questions, let us know or ask the group. We're here to help you along the way. Time to move on. Let's go.